pan tumaca es pan con tomate, ¿no? ¿Pan tumaca, Albert, quieres? ¿Pan tumaca? Perfecto, venga, vamos. A ver cómo parto yo. Vale, mira. Primero partimos el ajo, ¿vale? Y lo restregamos, ¿no? Sí, lo restregamos. Bueno, ahí está. No hace falta. ¿Para qué? Efectivamente. Vale, luego el tomate, ¿no? Lo restregas también. ¿Vale? Más o menos. Un poquito de sal. Yo creo que va bien así. Un poquito de aceite. Yo creo que esto es lo mejor que he hecho, echar aceite. El fuet. Y lo voy echando por... Y no lo como yo porque ya he comido. ¿Lo he clavado, Albert? ¿Sí?
I think I have seen kind of how you do it, but let's see. I might be wrong, but I think I've seen this. Okay, I'm gonna start with a piece of bread then. I'm gonna put some oil, I think. It's always good to have some oil on the bread. I'm gonna take this side and just like sort of rub it over the bread and squeeze a little bit. And I guess you can put whatever you want on top, some ham, and there's also some garlic here. But if you don't like garlic, then you can have it like this. Here we have pan tumaca. Yes.
Okay. What size? This one is okay? Okay, only one. Yes. Okay. Done? Like that?
Yes.
It's enough?
Yes.
Okay.
And you spread it as well?
Same?
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect. We put a little bit of salt.
Okay, I put it on top of it. Like that. I can eat? I will try. That's the best. Yeah, perfect. Very fast, very easy, and very good.
Yes, I need some guidelines a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing that.
It's my favorite thing to do. Okay.
The raw meat?
All of it or?
Yeah.
Alright. Muy bien. Very good.
Cogemos el pan, lo metemos en la tostadora, pasan 2 minutos, lo sacamos de la tostadora. ¿Ya me has arruinado mi receta de cocina? Joder, no veas, ¿eh? Menos mal que digo que cocino y no tengo ni idea de pelar un ajo. Será así, imagino. No, yo de aquí no voy a comer. Bueno, dejamos el ajo, tomate y supuestamente lo ponemos así. Luego, un poco de aceite, un poco de sal, un poco de fuet y listo. No, sí, tiene muy bueno. Lo he hecho para ti.
You just give me directions, and I'll do it as we go. So cut the garlic down the middle. Perfect. Good?
Yes.
Cool.
A little bit of salt.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Fuet? How much? Look, my coach, he's hungry. He definitely wants some. Come on, Dino, come try it with me. Here we go. It's pretty good, huh?
Ben, you did a great job.
Thank you. I'm a great cook.
Let me teach you how to do it in Greece. Aha, the Catalonian way. Olive oil? This is my favorite part. I guess there's no one after me, right? Bon appétit. How do you say it in Catalan?
Bon profit.
Bon profit.
Bon profit.
Ah. Bon profit. Come with me. That's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there poison on it?
It's the best thing in Barcelona.
What's on it?
How is it called again? Pan tumaca.
I'm surprised.
Like this?
Yeah.
And I the same like this? Oh yeah, we leave this here, okay? You know, like the shafts. Okay? This here, and then we try. I love this kind of meat, cold meat, and then bread. And I put too much garlic. It's good.
I have no idea how to do it. Do I cut the tomato or something? Take a piece of bread. Step one, the garlic, like this. Just like this?
Yeah, just like this. We'll say that's enough. No?
Cut the tomato?
Yeah.
Look at this cutting skill. This is a mess, guys. There we go. Look at that. The oil. Look at this design. Beautiful, huh?
Wait,
Like
it's called
fouet. Okay, this is what we were talking about. Boom. Look at that. All right. That is delicious. If tennis doesn't work out, you know where to find me.